what? I absolutely loved that audition. Just to see you supporting each other and this fantastic bond, it was just amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, it's really, really touching, actually. I cannot think of a better way to perform than with your family and the people that you love. You guys are fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
You get something very special with family band, I think, because you just get a beautiful blend of voices and just lovely to see the four of you enjoying being on stage together. It was fantastic.
You know, without being dramatic, you know that things happen in life to make you live life better. It was touching. It really, really was.
Thank you so much.
Let's take a vote. David.
I'm going to say yes.
Thank you.
Alicia.
It's a yes from me, guys.
It's a yes from me.
4 very big, fat yeses.